welcome back to our channel, which is Doll Constant. Hope you guys are well and doing great stuff, I must say. And now you know, and we are like, doing appearance together for the first time on our channel. So this is my lovely husband, Rishi.
And this is my lockdown beard, although lockdown UK से हट चुका almost. But I just thought कि थोड़ा सा look change करके देखते हैं.
Yeah, and he is looking good, I must say. Although our parents are not so happy. Every time he do a video call, they are like, both the parent, both sides. When are you getting it shaved? I'm like, oh my god. Keep trying, and he'll keep trying to grow it. So, anyways, we are here again, and hope you guys have not missed us so much. Sorry for delay. होता रहता है, बहुत सारी चीज़ें चलती रहती हैं पैरेलल में. And just to update you quickly, मेरे weight loss journey पे जो कि चल रही है continuous, and last day is July 38. However, I'm not so sure how much I will be losing. It's now I have reached something around 56.8, just to update you. And now why we are here, that is something Rishi will tell you.
So the big day of the year is coming, Doll का birthday. Doll is super excited about birthday all the time. आप किसी पड़ोसी का भी birthday इसको बता दो, she will go and enjoy more than the पड़ोसी जिसका birthday है. So she is always very excited about birthdays. And she likes to plan birthdays. She likes to prepare all the balloons and decorations, cake, everything. She is just a big fan of birthdays, I must say. And वही आप मेरे बेटी डॉटर जो है मोही उसमें भी देख सकते हैं. शी सिंग्स हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू लॉट क्योंकि उसकी मॉम ने उसको सिखाया है. एंड दैट्स व्हाट इट इज. सो एवरी ईयर व्हाट वी डू इज बेसिकली वी think about different ways to decorate our house. We don't want to just do a typical just balloon char balloon idhar udhar laga diye and we cut a cake and all. So we think about what is the latest trend and usko ek as a DIY project ki tarah lete hain, so that it gives us some time to do something together. Apart from these things, the only together thing that we do is managing Mohi, so that becomes very boring.
Yeah.
So that is why we have thought about something new this time and just wanted to give you an update on that. And this is going to be a longer video spread over multiple days. And today we're just going to explain to you what we intend to achieve. I don't know how much we'll be able to achieve and in the actual implementation, but plan क्या है, कैसा दिखना चाहिए, and what stuff we have got from Amazon and eBay and all the other places, that we can show a little bit today. I think not everything has arrived, but whatever has come through, let's just see that today.
Yeah, because most of the stuff have come, so that our base is quite ready, and we'll start doing stuff from today. And almost we've started as well some little stuff yesterday.
POC we have done, proof of concept we have done,
yeah.
But we have not done the actual development work, so to say, in software world.
And just to add to this, because we were in lockdown for like almost 2 years, and because of which we always try doing DIY stuff for every like festivals or every ceremony. And just so we were not running our YouTube channel for last in 2019, I must say. It only started in 2020 April, but before that as well, it was like Mohi's birthday, and then Rishi's birthday, and then we have other festivals like Diwali and stuff. So we did a lot of stuff. We did Gharonda for Mohi as well for Diwali, but we could not post it, but since our channel is up now, so we can share with you what we are doing. So let's get started.
And just on that point, we will post another video, 3-4 minutes video. We'll just collate all the photos from our previous DIYs and we'll share as another video very soon.
Yeah.
So you can have a look at it, what we have done before, and if you like it, then just keep following our channel. And you'll soon see the implementation of this one that we're planning as well as part of the video later on.
और एक सब्सक्राइब तो बनता है इतने सुंदर कपल के लिए. Please do it.
So,
okay.
Do you want to show?
Yes, you can show it maybe. So I don't know if you guys are able to see it.
This is something that we are planning. Sorry for the glare. So, this is like a wall, but it is not. So आजकल काफ़ी डिफरेंट तरीके के वॉल्स चलते हैं, लाइक बलून वॉल्स बनाते हैं लोग, फ्लावर वॉल बनाते हैं, फिर फ्लावर गार्लेंड बनाते हैं और आर्च बनाते हैं, राइट. सो दिस इज काइंड ऑफ मिक्सचर ऑफ टू थिंग्स. वन इज अ क्वाइट न्यू कॉन्सेप्ट विच इज द टैसल वॉल. So tassel wall is basically fringes रहेंगे और वो मतलब काफ़ी सारे fringes बनाएंगे हम लोग और wall पे चिपकाएंगे. Not exactly चिपकाएंगे. We'll show you what we are doing. We don't want to kind of spoil the wall as well. But there will be a lot of tassels hanging from the wall, and then there will be balloons around that. We'll not keep the same color scheme probably, but we have thought about a color scheme for the decoration, and you'll see that when we show you the stuff. So that's the basic concept, and there will be one more wall that is kind of another new thing that Divya has thought about, or Doll has thought about, and it's to do with flowers and butterflies, which she will also show.
So hope you guys will like it. So this is the first concept, and for इसके लिए भी हमें बहुत सारा googling करना पड़ा, like which one would be apt for Doll's birthday, of course. It's Doll's birthday, right? So yes, I'm so fond of and doing decoration, celebrating my birthday. Like it's never a birthday for me; it's always a happy birthday for me. So you will know, and then we'll show you all the stuff, and here I will show you, like I have a box all together with the stuff.
Well,
and
there were many boxes that came through, but we have thrown away all the other boxes. There's just one box that we have kept with all the stuff from all the other boxes.
I would like to say, Amazon, like if you're sending us like small stuff, please use the small box in place of like sending us big boxes, because it is just usually tough for us to manage our clutter and do things. So, okay.
And just a lot of waste actually.
Yes. Yeah.
Although it's not like plastic that they send, it's generally the cardboard boxes.
So here's the first stuff. Like as Rishi ने बताया कि हम fringes कर रहे हैं, तो any guesses कि ये क्या है?
इस पे लिखा हुआ होगा.
Yeah, इस पे लिखा हुआ भी है. So it is a plastic table cover. So we have an idea here, okay? And थोड़ा ये thick plastic table cover है, और ये different colors के हमने लिए हैं, और इसको हम basically use करने वाले हैं for our fringes. तो वो हम कैसे करेंगे? We'll tell you. और हमने क्या colors use किए हैं, करने वाले हैं, वो हम आपको दिखाते हैं. Can you hold it to me? This is a pink one. So we have different colors, and a purple, which is not favorite of my daughter. She'll say like, I don't like purple. Okay, and this is a red one. And we have got all these items from Amazon. We can send the link if you want to purchase and do the same if at all you like it. So we can do that.
So you've got the light green, the yellow, and the blue, light blue.
So at the minute,
and we had orange as
well. Yes. Okay. So I will just.
So I was telling you about the proof of concept that we did. So we took one of them and we created these, this fringe kind of thing, right? So we have a party backdrop, जो polyvinyl का एक sheet आता है बहुत बड़ा, उसके पीछे they print, and we had got one last year with roses printed on it. उसके back side पे there is nothing, it's just plain white background. So we are planning of using that to stick these things with hot glue gun on it, or we'll try to cover as much as area as possible. So this is not just it, actually we have ordered more, they are on the way. So I think we will end up using around 20 of these, each costing around £1.98 or something.
You can take it like two pounds each, so in Indian currency it will be like 200. Not much, I would say, because if you are, if you really want to decorate it and you are, calling a decorator, and they'll charge you more than that, I believe, because, the stuff charges and they are the working charges more, right? So I think we are, pretty good on that. And as Rishi has already shown you, like we have just tried one to cut and see, and also we, we'll stick it like all in one, like. If I'm taking this and I've cut like this into I've transformed this into this, so
this is
on
four
the wall,
slices, right?
Yeah, so 4 slices all go, so that it gives a bright thick texture, not the thin one, because if you go with the thin one it will not be that great, I must say. So we'll do something like that with all these, and we are hoping others to arrive soon because we need more, and we will stick something.
Of course, golden.
He has a story.
So this is Doll's favorite color, gold, right?
Don't trust him. He has a story around every piece of meat.
So I say that you should have born in Dubai, right? Like a sheikh or something, because she looks for gold in everything. 1 second.
So it's just my daughter
No.
was popped up.
Right, so she looks for gold in everything, and so of course the wall cannot be complete without some gold. So we got some gold fringes as well, and we'll put them in between some places to just get the.
That shimmery look from the body. Okay, and then we have a plan to do a balloon, or not arc, I will say balloon bunches like the grapes are, the small balloons and the big balloons, different colors of balloon in bunch. So I'll just show you what I've got now. I've not got all the balloons yet, so I have this white color one. I've just cut it for Mogi. She wanted one, everything new. She is also like behind us. What this? So we have this, and this is, I believe,
10.
10 centimeter balloon actually.
10 inch.
Yeah, 10 inch.
Yeah, that's a 10 inch balloon.
Yeah, that's a 10-inch balloon, and it has got like 600 pieces in it. So we have not really ordered the small balloon, which we will use as well. We will use this, and with this only we will blow like different shapes, like
Sizes.
small or size like that. Because when you try like 5 centimeter or 2 centimeter balloon, they are really hard not to blow, because for blowing we'll use a machine, but then for tying it's very time consuming, right?
Yeah.
So for that purpose we usually order 10 centimeter balloon, whatever color we need, and then we use them according to our need, like different sizes and things. And this is a red one. We have not opened it yet, so the packing was so nice for this, I must say.
See, one came out.
Yeah, so the packing is very nice, and this is a cherry red balloon. I liked it, and so these two have come. However, we have ordered like brown, green, and some pastel pinks as well. So you'll get to see that. So that is one part of the, like, one wall will have that fringe tassel with plastic cherry cloth.
Yeah.
With gold on it, and of course balloon. Without balloon, my birthday is not possible. So
Yeah.
balloon should be a must. Okay, these can be helpful for them. So please do subscribe and share with your friends as much as you can. And we will hope to see you very soon. Till then, take care. Bye. Cheers. Love you.
Bye.